Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of February. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can buy monthly. There are different tiers that you can buy, and I have the $10 tier. The $10 tier comes with one thing of yarn and then one mystery item that is different every time. This video is not sponsored in any way. I buy this every month with my own money, and the opinions are my own. I also did a review roundup of all the Darn Good Yarn boxes that I received last year, and I will have that video listed down below as well. Alright, let's get started. I think this lavender color is so beautiful. I am kind of getting over the winter right now. I usually love winter and I usually love fall, but for some reason the days have just been all gray lately, and I'm kind of ready to see spring. It usually doesn't bother me as much, but for some reason right now I'm just like, we're in that transition of it's sort of ending. Spring's gonna be here soon. I'm very excited. So all that to say that I love this color and it gives me all of the spring vibes, and I just think it is beautiful. So let's open up my box. Okay, let's start with the booklet since it is on top. So every box is going to come with a booklet. It's going to tell you about Darn Good Yarn. It's going to tell you how the yarn was made. Ooh, that color is very pretty. So it's going to tell you about your yarn and your mystery gift. Spoilers, this is what I'm getting. But it is very pretty. It's going to tell you about the club, how the yarn was made. Oh, that's so pretty. It's going to give you a knitting pattern for the yarn and a crochet pattern for the yarn. I love looking through this booklet after I go through all of my items. Okay, let's grab the yarn next. It is a very lightweight, thin yarn. Sport weight linen. Burgundy cherry. It's an accurate color. It's very pretty. I do love the color, but I'm not a fan of this type of yarn weight. I am just not someone who uses super thin or even super bulky yarn. It's just, I like a very medium in between weight. So I think the color is beautiful, but I personally wouldn't even use this yarn. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but it is very pretty. All right. And my mystery item. What is this? Mini gauge swatch ruler and keychain. Oh, okay. Okay, so it gives you the yarn weight, the crochet per stitch, single crochet, the hook, and the hook size. That's interesting. On a keychain. That's cool. I don't know where I'm going to put it as a keychain. I don't know if I would put it like on my purse or anything. Probably just keep it in my craft room, but it is pretty cool. I'll have to see how I'm going to incorporate this when it comes to my patterns and stuff, because I usually don't worry too much about yarn weights. Again, because I use usually medium weight and all that, so I stick within like this range. But it's cute, and I'm definitely going to end up doing a review roundup at the end of the year anyway. So I will come back around and let you guys know what I end up doing with this and how it goes. So that is going to be my February Darn Good Yarn box. I am not super excited about this box, again, because I got a lighter weight yarn and then this gauge swatch. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it. It's kind of a double whammy because February is my birthday month, so I was super excited to get my box. I was like hoping for something amazing, but this box is just kind of meh to me. Like, I didn't really need these items, but they're cute, and I will again do that roundup, so I'm going to see how I can incorporate them. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Leave me some feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.